So I've come to Haeundae, I can't say it. Haeundae Yogungsa temple here in Busan, and apparently it's the most beautiful temple in Korea, and it's the only Korean temple that I've been to, so I think that I've made a good choice. So far there's been so many people lining up. So far I feel like I'm going through a conveyor belt through this temple, unfortunately. Hopefully things will change once I get inside. You know, anything next to the sea is beautiful in my opinion anyway, so it's going to be great. So I'm just having a mini stop here, sitting on a step. It's hot, but it's probably more like back home. The climate here is a little bit more like back home. It's not as humid, and probably there's a sea breeze that comes from the sea, so it reminds me a little bit of home. I can imagine a temple like this existing in the south of the Mediterranean, definitely next to the rocks, that kind of thing. It's pretty beautiful actually, and thankfully now that we've got out of the kind of the queue, there's a lot more space to wander around. Plenty of steps though, and it's worth coming just for the views from the temple of the sea, and the actual temple itself is pretty nice. There's actually people here that come as tourists like myself, and you can also see some worshippers are here to worship, which is also quite interesting, I think. So this little village has popped up around the temple area with all sorts of stalls selling drinks and food, street food, restaurants, souvenirs, etc. It's also a nice shady place to walk around. But what I'm going to do now is head to the beach. I haven't had a beach day in a while and I really want to relax. So haven't decided which one I'm going to go to, but I'm going to check out the one closest to here, which is Haeundae beach, I believe it's called. Maybe grab something here along the way, or just eat at the restaurant somewhere near the beach. This is quite crazy, I think. Look at the amount of people that there are. It is actually a really nice beach. The water is really nice actually. But the amount of people is just crazy. Wow, look at that. Crazy, huh? Beach in Korea. It's so interesting how different countries have different beach cultures, I think. because in the Mediterranean it's really laid back. It's all about snoozing and drinking. And here I was talking to someone and they told me that they like come just for the lunch break for 2 hours. So I rented an umbrella and a chair thingy, like a tumbona, I don't know what it's called in English, for 1,800, sorry, for 18,000, yeah, 18,000 won. And I've really had a really nice day. It's been super crowded, but that's what's made it so much fun. It's been like being in the wave pool in a water park all day. Lots of fun. And quite hard to actually like get around. I really didn't want the beach day to end. It's been so much fun, and I forgot that the sun goes down so early here. Like at home I'm used to the sun like going down at 10 in the evening. It's 6 p.m. and they basically started putting down the umbrella and telling me to get on my way. Well, not telling me to get on my way, but basically, you know, that I couldn't use the umbrella anymore. But that was a good cue to start making my way back, having a little walk, going back to the hotel and just taking it easy, which is what I've been trying to do today, and I have.